Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer files with Microsoft OneDrive easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your computer and ensure you are connected to the internet. Locate the OneDrive application on your computer. If you don't have OneDrive installed, visit the Microsoft website to download and install it. Once OneDrive is installed, open the application. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. After logging in, you will see the OneDrive folder in your File Explorer or Finder. To upload files, simply drag and drop them into the OneDrive folder. Alternatively, right-click in the OneDrive folder and select Upload to choose files manually. For folder uploads, right-click and select New to create a new folder, then drag and drop files into this folder. To share files, right-click on the file or folder you want to share. Select Share from the menu. A dialog box will appear where you can add email addresses of people you want to share with. You can also customize whether they can edit or just view the files. Once you've entered the email addresses and selected permissions, click Send to share the link. To access files from another device, open OneDrive and sign in with your Microsoft account. All your uploaded files will be available for download or editing across devices. For mobile access, download the OneDrive app from your device's App Store. Open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account. You can upload files by selecting the plus icon and choosing the files from your device. OneDrive automatically syncs your files across all devices as long as you have an internet connection. Check your sync status by right-clicking the OneDrive icon on your computer's taskbar. If you see a green check mark, your files are synced successfully. If there are issues, OneDrive will provide troubleshooting steps. Explore OneDrive settings by clicking on the icon and selecting Settings for more customization options. This will enhance your experience and help you manage your files efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.